So to kind of bring it all together, I know BCC research shows that North America is leading revenue at the moment, APAC is growing the fastest, and Europe is kind of pushing hard for sovereignty and driving regulations. How do you see these different regional dynamics evolving in the coming year? And are we heading towards a true global AI infrastructure race?
Yeah, I think we're already seeing aspects of that currently. So, I mean, the regional dynamics that we see, we fully expect them to continue to intensify through 2026 and the coming years. Each region will kind of pursue their own strategies and goals there, aligned with their unique, capabilities, priorities, and competitive advantages. Obviously North America remains the leader in global AI build out. All the top hyperscalers and cloud providers are for the most part based here, as well as North America has a robust ecosystem and supporting host of supporting players. Ultimately, where we're really seeing where we expect to see the fastest growth is going to be Asia Pacific. So we're estimating roughly 22 to 25% in that region over the next 5 years. Highly driven by growth in China and India, as well as the national AI policies and very large investments in those countries.